Father Victor LYNGDOH was born in Walang village of Meghalaya in the winter of 14th January 1956. His motto in life has always been, I quote, "For life, I obey God," unquote. Father Victor was ordained a Catholic priest on 25th January 1987 and was consecrated by Pedro Lopez Quintina on 2nd April 2006. The Holy Father, Pope Francis, appointed Father Victor LYNGDOH as Bishop of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Jowai on 15th October 2016, and he was installed on 20th November 2016. Father LYNGDOH also chairs the Northeast Bishops' Council of India. On Monday, 28th December 2020, the Most Reverend Bishop Victor LYNGDOH was appointed by the Holy Father, Pope Francis, as the Archbishop of the Shillong Archdiocese. Quote, this provision was made public in Rome on Monday, December 28, 2020 at noon, corresponding to 4:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, unquote, a press communique from the Archbishop's house said.